I can't stand to fly. I'm not that naive. I'm just out to find the better part of me. I'm more than a bird, I'm more than a plane, I'm more than some pretty face beside a train. And it's not easy to be me. I wish that I could cry, fall upon my knees, find a way to lie about a home I'll never see. It may sound absurd, but don't be naive. Even heroes have the right to bleed. I may be disturbed, but won't you concede? Even heroes have the right to dream. And it's not easy to be me. Up and away, away from me. Well, it's alright, you can all sleep sound tonight. I'm not crazy. I cover my heart, turn from the wind, but in my coat, here comes the storm again. What can I do but to trust in Him? 'Cause I know the deeper my faith runs, the stronger I become. And the thunder, it may shake me, but I always know that after the rain, you can look to the sky again. The clouds will give way to the light of the sun. After the rain, you know that you've made it through, and you'll finally see the joy from the pain. After the rain, everyone needs, everyone hurts, everyone feels the weight of the world sometimes. But don't let the wind sweep your heart away, 'cause even the roughest waters cleanse. So when they come again, let them serve as a reminder. You can always